Have you ever had anyone come into your tattoo shop and ask for something that was a bit weird?
In my diary, it said a flamingo drowning euphorically.
I'm Jack. This is Helena, a 50-year-old tattoo artist from Gosport. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. Helena is one of my favourite clients and she always lets me do really cool creative haircuts. Today we're going for like a Chelsea cut inspired look. So nice and cropped, short on the top, but leaving some wicked disconnections is one of my favourites. You are a tattoo artist.
Yeah.
Now, I don't have any tattoos, so what's that like getting? What's it like owning a tattoo shop?
I can't lie, it's a really, really cool job. It's probably the best job I've ever had. When I started, it was kind of hit the ground running, really, because it was a busy little studio, so I didn't really have like a traditional apprenticeship as such.
If you didn't have much training, like you must have had some questionable tattoos. Did you do some questionable tattoos?
I did, I can't lie, I did have a disaster.
Yeah?
I couldn't even charge the guy. It was just, it didn't even look like a real tattoo, it was just awful. It was meant to be a dagger and it was just kind of a scratch. It was awful, there was hardly any ink in it. It was so embarrassing even to talk about it, it's horrible.
What's your favourite sort of tattoo to do?
I love doing portraits, whether it's people, animals, ones that really mean a lot to people. Like recently I had to do a Captain Jack Sparrow for someone. Brilliant timing because of the court case and everything, perfect timing. But it was, she had it because she wanted to show her support for him because she totally believed him.
Yeah.
And then the other day I had to do a portrait of somebody's dog that had passed away and it was their best friend, and that was really lovely to do as well. You know, some tattoos are just for fun and some really mean an awful lot to people.
It is quite tribal, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Like I was doing London Fashion Week this year, one of the models was like heavily tattooed and I got picked to do his hair and he straight away looked at me and went, like me and you are one. Straight away he felt really comfortable with someone else who had tattoos, and that is like an instant sort of attraction, isn't it?
Yeah, you can't expect to go somewhere and for people not to talk to you if you've got tattoos, because it's a real icebreaker.
Yeah. Something that I think is really cool and interesting as well though is you are an all-female tattoo shop, aren't you?
Currently we are, yeah. It's just the way it's worked out that we've ended up being all girls in there at the moment. And other people seem to like it. Like, you know, ladies like coming to an all-female studio because they feel comfortable, and guys tend to like come into an all-female studio as well because they feel like they haven't got anything to prove there. If they want to tap out early or they need to have a break for a minute because they feel a bit funny maybe, they don't feel shy about telling us that, whereas if it was in an all-male studio then they might do.
Have you ever had anyone come into your tattoo shop and ask for something that was a bit weird? Or?
In my diary it said a flamingo drowning euphorically.
I mean, I kind of want to meet this person.
Yeah, she's a really cool character.
Yeah,
she's
that's
lovely.
epic.
She's brilliant. Apparently she had a dream where she was a flamingo and she was drowning, but it wasn't scary.
It was euphoric.
She was proper euphoric about it, so she thought, I need to have a tattoo of that. I think when I was younger, looking at people that would have been sort of, at the time, my nan's age, they looked like old people. It was like an old person uniform that you suddenly get, and I can remember thinking, when do you have to do that? I don't want to do that. I don't want to wear that.
Wait, when does you get a letter in the post saying, right, here's your floral dress and your
your
like,
twin set.
Yeah, exactly.
And your special grandma Mac.
And we booked you an appointment for your roller set each week at Sally's, and
this is it.
And this is it. Yeah. I'm just going to use the Thermoshape Quick Blow Dry Spray. It's just a really nice product, smells really nice. It's got heat protection in it, so this is just going to give it a bit of a level of protection. And then I'm just going to finish it off. I thought, let's mix it up a bit today and use a gel just to give it a bit more of a wet look. I thought that'd be really cool. And have a little look at your new hair.
Oh, I love it.
So cool, right?
Yeah, it's really cool.
See what I mean? I think this is perfect. We've got that really cool short fringe, some cool disconnections. And then leaving all your long bits.
Thank you, Jack.
No worries, no worries. Hey guys, I hope you liked my chat with Helena. For more episodes, check us out on the KMS Pro channel, and I'll see you soon.